Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Soundcore a20i with the r50i by Anker, and what are the things you need to know. So the first thing that you need to know is the playtime for charge. So you're going to have 10 hours for the r50 comparing to 9 hours of a20. Then you are going to have the 30 hours per r50, but a20 got 28 hours. Both got the same fast charging and both got the same Bluetooth version. Now also really important thing is that the r50 got good quality, but it doesn't sound as natural as a20i. So now what you can do is when you would like purchase the a20i, you can put the earbuds on the piano EQ in the Soundcore app, and once you do the hearing test, the a20i turn into the best sounding TVS. This has been reported by people on Reddit, and this is something I really like also. So primarily it can be like in a way a changer for you. And I just want to make this like quick video primarily that if it's going to like help you like choose. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.